Hello friends. Is Google search engine business monopoly under threat? For more than 20 years, the Google search engine has served as the world's primary gateway to the internet. But now, there is a new chatbot technology such as the ChatGPT which is being introduced into the market, and it has posed a serious threat to the business of Google. I am not claiming this. This is claimed by the Google's management, which has pulled a code red, similar to pulling the fire alarms against this new technology. Let's make a deep dive into my computer screen.
So welcome to my computer screen. I have Google open in my computer, and in another tab I have ChatGPT's dashboard open. So this is the dashboard of ChatGPT. Here is the search area where we can type our query. So first of all I will type in a query which will have a perfect answer, like an objective answer. Say I'm typing uh, Kohli's top scores in ODI, top 20 scores in ODI. So let's see what Google gives us. The first link is list of Virat Kohli's ODI and Test centuries. That's not what I'm looking for. Next is Virat Kohli records. Man, I want top 20 scores. Where it is? List of international cricket. I don't want the entire list. Virat Kohli's ODI and Test performances. So let's click on the first link. Let's see what it gives us to. Oh, this is very bad. Where will I find the top 20 scores? Let's see what ChatGPT gives us. I will just copy and paste the same thing in ChatGPT. Copy paste. Yeah. Virat Kohli is a professional cricketer and the current captain of the Indian national team. That's old news. He is considered one of the best batsmen. Blah blah blah. Here are the Kohli's top 20 scores. Yeah. Yes. Amazing. Exactly. This is what I wanted. 10 scores by list. This is an objective, perfect answer to my query. So this is the magic in here. The most exciting capability of ChatGPT is that it can generate completely unique ideas from scratch. Let's try something interesting here. Suppose I'm telling ChatGPT to write a poem on my crush. Let's see what it gives to us. My crush, oh how I long to speak of the feelings that I seek to express and to impart the beating of my heart. When I see you, my pulses races and my face flushes with blushes. Ah, this is beautiful. So this is an entire poem which is completely unique, no copyright infringement, nothing, and you are getting it in less than a minute. It's crazy. Now let's see what you will get to a similar kind of query on Google. I will just copy and paste the same query on Google. Write crush poem, 17 plus short love poems for a crush. Uh, so now these are all poems which someone may have written. So these all you may get copyright infringement, or your crush may get to know that you have copied it from somewhere else, so that may get you into a trouble.
So back to my camera. Now the obvious question arises is why the big companies like the Microsoft or Google fail to produce such a chatbot yet. Two reasons. One, that these chatbots often produce information which is toxic or biased because these chatbots learn from the information which is posted on the internet, and many a times they are not able to discriminate between information which is biased or toxic. In fact, Microsoft and Meta launched these kind of chatbots, but they had to step back from their decision because of these reasons. Second reason is, even if the Google tackles this issue, Google will face a business model problem. Because if Google answers all your queries correctly, then you won't click on the ads. So obviously, Google will have to find a new business model to get its revenue. So get set for a whole new revolutionized way to search stuffs on the internet. Thanks a lot.